on how to see anyone's Instagram profile picture in full size. Let's get started. So if you want to see someone's profile picture on full size on Instagram, so to do that what you can do is first of all open up your Instagram application and then select a profile. So after selecting a profile, now what you can do is just simply copy their username. So you can copy their username or you can just easily remember their username. And after doing that, what you can do is just simply come back to your home screen and now you have to select a browser. So you can select any browser you like, and after selecting a browser, in search bar you can search for Instagram profile viewer Twicy. And after searching for that, now you'll come up to this page, and from here what you can do is just simply tap on this first option, which is Twicy, and from there you will come up to this page. From here you can check anyone's profile picture in full size. So what you have to do is you just have to provide their username. So you have just copy a username from Instagram, right? So you just have to paste that username over here. So what I'll do is I'll just simply paste a username and then show you if it works. So after pasting a username, now what you can do is just simply tap on check and you just have to wait for a while. So you just have to wait for a few seconds and it will generate you the image. So now what you can do is after generating the image, you just have to tap on download image. After tapping on download image, you will successfully download this image, and now you can just tap on open. After tapping on open, you can see you can view the profile picture in full size. So now if I open up my Instagram and try to view the profile of the same person, you can see I can't view the full profile. But by using that website, what you can do is you can easily view the person's profile in full size. So if you can't find this application, then what I'll do is just I'll simply provide you the link in my description. So just tap on the description and then you will find a link. You just have to tap on that link and you will direct it to this website where you just have to enter the username, and after entering the username you can simply download the profile image in full size. So that's it guys, this is how to see anyone's Instagram profile picture in full size. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.